I'm Syed. I work in US for the state of Florida, TracFone Wireless Miami, Rogers AT&T Canada, and HP. Due to some reasons, I migrated to work as a freelancer with Upwork, and I do WordPress web development. I develop an agency where a bunch of people support me. They are programmer, they're content writer, they're designer. So what I do mostly, I design website for the startup, for mid-level companies, complex e-commerce shop. You can hire me for day-to-day WordPress support or for a new website or any troubleshooting stuff or migrating your site from one to other server, or you can hire me for redesign or refresh your website. I mostly develop WordPress websites. I do troubleshooting, migrate website from one to other server, from one to other host, and we support a lot of clients located in US and other countries. I have a team of professionals who support me for day-to-day programming and article writing. I also have a lot of people working on different locations. Some work from their home and some work at our office. I'm looking forward to hear from you, and I'm looking forward to work together. Thank you.